Hey guys, Mike here with Red Bull Quants. It's June 9th, 2022, and it's time for another market update. Let's do it. Not too much to talk about, except for this nightline buy level that still stands as a firm wall. Bitcoin doesn't seem to be able to breach it. It stands right now at 30,458, actually 457.9, but round it up here. And that is the big line in the sand. It's sort of positive, and I can't believe I'm saying something positive about the crypto market for a change. Look here, down here, we've got some netline sell levels, and so far the tape has stayed fairly clear of it, right? There's one quick step down that was instantly reversed, and then we're kind of just taking turns here, tit for tat, and this kind of ping pong game keeps going on. So it's definitely a tug of war a little bit that's going on here, and one side is going to win. I don't think it's impossible to see actually a bearish resolution here. I mean, we would have to slice through 3 netline sell levels in order for this to kind of fall apart, right? It's clearly coiling up, as you can see. So we are at, down here is 28,000. So I'd say probably, if we drop through 28,000 on Bitcoin, then things are going to get really ugly, and we're probably going to revisit on here or even worse. But so far it's looking pretty good, and if it can actually clear this, right, and especially if we can breach above 32,000, it seems to be the magic line in the sand, then I think it's off to the races. Officially, if you're looking at the long-term swing trading system here, it's still short. See, it's still set to short, and that's intentionally. That's kind of the general idea. It doesn't want to get too busy here. You don't want to go in and out, in and out, in and out, and get chopped to pieces. So it's just holding. It's been holding short since up here, and that's really the idea. It wants to sit out the big swings. And let's see what Ethereum is doing. I'm going to zoom in a little bit, and it looks actually kind of similar. A little bit weaker, but similar. One more time. Okay. It's not responding for some reason. It's a VPS, so it's a bit slow. All right, so we can see here a little bit more context, right? Again, here things look a little bit more challenging, and I'll tell you why. First up, we keep touching those netline sell levels, and the positive takeaway here is that so far they're holding up, but we got a whole stack of them. And if they breach, things are gonna get ugly, because right below here, there's also the spike low. See, the big one here. What is the low? Let me see. 1,701. So if 1701 goes, you can say goodbye. It's probably going to go to 1,600 or something. Who knows? But on the upside, we also have actually here. There was an old netline sell level. See that one here? That was breached, and it was breached again here, by the way. See that? And that was actually, as you can see, also a micro gap down. So quite some vehemence on the way down. This was really slapped down during that session, and it stayed down here since then. So this one has to be reconquered. And then we have 1, 2, actually still on the map, a third one here. Well, but if we ever get there, this one probably will have expired. But these two, they're gonna remain around. They're gonna stick around for quite a bit, and they have to be overcome. So I'd say Ethereum has its work cut out for itself. Right? It has its work cut out for itself, and I don't know if it can do it. I think I'd probably put my money in Bitcoin. As a matter of fact, my money is on Bitcoin because it's Cryptonaissance, our trading system, has had us on Bitcoin, and that's definitely been the stronger coin. So yeah, definitely Bitcoin is the way to go right now if you're still holding, unless you're in cash. But I think things look a lot more positive here, and if we see a breakout, we could see a nice run to the upside. Will Ethereum follow? I'm not sure. It's poco a poco, as to say. We're here in Spain. It's it's been painful since the end of last year, and in order to reverse some of that, it's going to take a while. We have first up the more short-term context that needs to be overcome. Okay, and once we're off, well, there's a lot more context up here where there probably will be resistance. So one thing at a time. So far, it's looking positive. I'm optimistic this could resolve to the upside. And let's just keep our fingers crossed. The market has to pick a direction here. All right, guys, that's it for now. Don't forget to subscribe down here and upvote the video if you liked it. And I'll see you soon, hopefully with good news. Cheers.